Hey YouTube world, I'm going to do a little ammo test with my Crossman 1377. As you can see, it's still left factory standard format. Haven't played with it. .177 caliber. Seen these on the shelf at Walmart for a while now. The Gamo Red Fire. So I decided I'm going to play with these. Extreme accuracy, penetration, and velocity. I swear I read that on a condom packet once. Experience match grade accuracy, high velocity performance, and hydraulic expansion at point of impact. All sounds very dramatic, really, doesn't it? Right, I'm going to set up and shoot one or two. See you in a minute. Alright guys, I got a 15-ounce can full of tomato sauce there. A brand new unopened can. I'm loaded up. 10 pumps of the Crossman 1377. I'm now about to go and sit down 20 feet away to take a shot. Well, as you can see, it went in. No exit. I'll set up for another one. Alright, I'm going to go back 20 feet away again. Shot number 2. Oh, that was fun. Now you know why I like to use cans of cheap GMO crap tomato sauce. Nice effect, huh? I was pretty impressed with that first shot. Like, that's a 15-ounce can, so that's a pound weight. That's a 1 pound weight, and as you saw, it knocked it straight off the picnic table. Still no exit, which is fine. That's exactly what it's designed to do. That's a nice 1-inch split there, though. The split in the metal can goes from there, yeah, to there. So it's about a 1-inch, nice 1-inch split. Alright, give me a sec, I'll set up for a third shot. Alright. Give me a minute, I'll go back for shot number 3. This is hilarious. There we go. Look at that. Zombie brains. As you can see, very wet day here in central Pennsylvania. Isn't that fun, shooting cans of tomato sauce? It's a beautiful effect. Alright, that's 3 shots. I've got a hell of a mess to clean up. Like, I got splatter. I'll pull back here. Sorry, it's wet. You'll see, look, there's the can. As you can see, it splattered straight back. That's exactly where the shot came from, that direction. So they're nasty little projectiles. I'm going to be in the shit too. I just got tomato sauce all over my wife's umbrella on the picnic table. So I've got a mess to clean up. Alright, give me a minute. I'm going to empty the can, clean it up so you can see the holes, and I'll retrieve the pellets and we'll have a look, huh? Okay, I'm back. Got the can all cleaned up. Let me try and pick this up to the light a little. I'm out in the garage and I have got crap everywhere. I'm going to have to clean up my bench soon. Shot number 1, fairly clean, neat hole. Shot number 2 is where the can started splitting. Sorry, I've only got a cheap phone that I'm recording on, so I'm trying to... You're probably not going to get to see that 1-inch wide split. But, yeah, here's my thumb. This will give you some scale. Shot number 1. Shot number 2. And shot number 3. So let's have a look at the pellets. These guys did exactly what they're designed to do, which is a lot of damage on impact. They're not a clean pellet to go through and through. I've had just your cheap standard pellet. I've done this test before on the can of tomato sauce, and yeah, they went through and through easy, and you know, ripped open a nice hole on the exit. But you can see these guys, all 3 of them, I have got the same. If I can line them up, all 3 have got the same kind of shape, because there was a slight downward trajectory from the gun to the can, but not a lot. But you can see that certainly mushroomed out and spread nicely. I was probably expecting more of a spread. There's that third guy run away. I'm trying to get up near the light so you can see. Get one in my hand. Let me get a new one and I'll put it next to it. Hang on a second. There you go. There's like a... I can pick this up gently. Before and after, there's a new intact one on the left. I go straight down over the top, you'll see the difference in size that they've mushroomed out. Okay, let's put him on its side. New intact pellet on the left and the one on the right. So yeah, that was fun. And yeah, not a bad little pellet. Like, they're not cheap. I think it was even at Walmart prices. What was it, $8, $8 or $9 for 150? But you know, if you want to save these for hunting any kind of a rodent, yeah, I reckon they'd be cool out of a rifle. So that was just my just standard Crossman 1377. I think the third shot I did 12 pumps. Alright, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you thought that was fun.